Hello. What are different types of arthritis of knee? The commonest type of arthritis of knee is osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis is a degenerative disorder where knee joint gets progressively damaged because of wear and tear. Osteoarthritis is because of genetic factors, weak bone, excessive weight, excessive wear and tear, excessive use of joint, and age. This is the commonest arthritis of the knee, and 70% of knees are affected by osteoarthritis. Another common type of arthritis is rheumatoid arthritis or seronegative spondyloarthropathies. In this, there is autoimmune factor which is in the play. The body develops antibodies which act or attack on the knee and other joints and progressively destroy synovial membrane and cartilage. This is inflammatory arthritis. The third arthritis which is common is traumatic arthritis. In traumatic arthritis, there is an injury around the knee, there is a fracture, and there is malalignment which leads to osteoarthritis. So these are commonest type of arthritis. There are other uncommon arthritis, but they are very uncommon and need not be discussed here. They are like pyogenic, post-infective, and other arthritis. Thank you.